Hi, this is Erin from Bridgeville and South Fayette Township Libraries. On A Dash of Spice, we're going to take a look at nutmeg. Nutmeg comes from the nutmeg tree. It's a seed, and it has a nutty, slightly sweet flavor that can be a little bit intense. You can find it in whole or ground form. If you buy it in whole form, you will need to grate it. And it's often used in sweet and savory dishes. You can find it in desserts such as apple pie. A fun fact is that the spice mace comes from the same plant as nutmeg. It's actually the outer coating of the nutmeg seed before it's harvested. So it has a lot of the same flavors as nutmeg, and some recipes can be used interchangeably. The recipe that we're going to make today is for a rice pudding. Let's see what we'll need for that. We are going to start off with our greased casserole dish, and then right into that we will place our cooked rice. So we'll just put that in right now. And then to the rice, we will add our raisins. I have my oven preheating to 375. So here's my raisins, adding those in. I'll just kind of give them a stir to mix them in a little bit. All right, so now in my bowl here, I'm going to put my milk in. I'm going to put my sugar, my nutmeg, and that's a ½ teaspoon of nutmeg. And then I'm going to put eggs, 2 eggs. I'm going to take a whisk and just kind of whisk all that together. So I'll do that for a few minutes and then I will check back in just 1 second. So now I'm going to take my liquid mixture here and I'm just going to pour it over my rice. Try to give it evenly. And this will go straight into my oven, uncovered, and I will bake it, like I said, at 375 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes until a knife is inserted into the center here and it comes out clean. If I want, once it is cool, I could pour a little extra milk over each serving. And that is all there is to it. I will have to refrigerate the leftovers. So thank you for tuning in and have a great day, everyone.